Welcome back. If you haven't watched episode 1 of this series, I suggest you go and do that. It'll be up in that corner there. Hit that tab, go back and watch episode 1, and then we'll catch up with you when you've done that. For those of you that are with us, welcome back. Still cleaning the bike. So where did we get to? Day 2. Strawn through to Hobart. The weather looked okay, forecast was good, but you never know around that way what you're going to actually get. So we managed to get away a lot earlier than we'd hoped to. I think we were booked in for breakfast at 8 o'clock and we were in there at 7. It was nearly on the road. The time we planned to actually be having breakfast, so that was all good. We got away early, and of course, being the roads that they are, magnificent. Strawn through to Queenstown, we got fuel there. Breakfast was good at the hotel too, must admit. Very nice, well done guys. Day 2. Leaving Strawn Village, heading to Hobart via Derwent Bridge. I'll whack that on the map. Between Strawn and Queenstown. Magnificent riding road. No rain on the radar. Gonna be a good day. How can you not enjoy this? Damn. But you've still got to hang on and watch where you're going because of all these magnificent twisties that just go on and on and on. Not like that. No clue what that is. There's the view. Check it out. Happy Fridays. Woo. Tassie. Tassie. Unexplainable. Get your shit together. Get over here. Check it out yourself. Give yourself time. Let's just pump it through in a day. You're not going to see shit. Magnificent. Is that a word? It is today. Ah, Tassie, you never disappoint. Good to see Alex's number plate today. Might save us a run in with the law. And down into Queenstown we go. That's where the App Railway leaves from. Magnificent old hotel, the Empire. Welcome to the main drag, Queenstown. That's it, that's the tour of Queenstown, we're out. I'm kidding. So we left Queenstown and headed to do the 100 Bends. It's the highway that people rave about when they come to Tassie, and I've only done it a few times and I kick myself every time I go down there that I don't do it more often, but it's a day away to go and do it, so you know, what do you do? And here's the footage of that, check it out. Okay folks, we're just heading out of Queenstown now. We're going to do what they call the 100 Bends. So I don't get down this way very often, so I'm going to just enjoy this. I'll run the camera. You may hear some cursing, you may hear some swearing, you may hear some yee-hawing. But if you can see up on that cliff, you can see where the road trail goes up on that mountain. So that's where we're heading. So let's go! to Norfolk. That's where we plan to have lunch. Oh, you're kidding. We have got held up by motorhome. Oh, you're a good man. See if I can get a copy of the photo. And have a look at that! Whew. I'm going to call it out my arse and I'm going to say that's Lake Burberry, but yeah, I might need to correct that. Look at that view! Damn! Lake Burberry! Whew. Well done, Bert. Wealth and knowledge. In and out to the 100 bends is a ride all on its own again. Fantastic. I undertook a very intimate and detailed interview with Lee while we were at Derwent Park, so check that out. So we're having morning tea at the Hungry Wombat Cafe at Derwent Bridge. How was the ride, Lee? How you doing? I'll just videoing. Just getting some footage. Got anything to say?
No. Really? What are your thoughts on that?
What, not having anything to say? And once we'd finished that interview, we made our way through to Hobart. That can only mean we're getting close to Hobart. We are just heading to Circumnavigation. so much, I think. Maybe a bevy. Maybe just one. Let's go. 2 blocks from the centre of Hobart. Check this out. Across the road from the water, bars, restaurants. Managed to make it into Hobart before the rains come. Where were we? Hobart. We went and had lunch in Hobart, down on the waterfront, after checking in, and then we headed to the bar for a few beers, back to room, get changed, and then we headed out for tea just up the road again. It was pissing with rain, so we booked into a place just up the road, so we didn't have too far to go, so we didn't get wet. And it was really good, the meal. It was a good night out actually.
I'm Lee. $10 bogan. What do you got to say?
I've got nothing to say.
It's a bit dark in here.
It is a bit dark.
Webby?
Fuck off, mate.
Fucking dark. Alex.
What's going on? What's going on, man?
Very, very dark. You could ask a question again.
Still got nothing to say.
Still got nothing to say.
You ready for a beer?
Have one beer.
One.
Whatever, on juice now. Give me a dark look.
That's the Viking.
Viking. Tell us a bit about your ancestry.
Ancestry.
Yeah, ancestry.
Oh, ancestry.
Welcome to Tasmania, boy. I'm here interviewing over a vlog. Show us your vlog. That's not good, remember?
You enjoyed that episode? If you did, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe if you're not. And we'll see you next time for day 3, Hobart to Orford.